we've got our food in the oven.
Yes, it smells so good.
I know, we've got our muffins done. Check. So we just need to finish up our tabletop. And Certified Celebrator over here had an amazing idea for a fun, quick, easy centerpiece.
Yes, I love to use grocery store flowers, but I like to kind of kick it up a notch and not necessarily go straight to the glass vase or vase, as some people say. And so today we're going to do a mixing bowl, and this kind of coordinates with our table. And so I'm going to use the coordinating bowl to put all the flowers in. How cute is that going to be?
Okay,
all right. You've got so many fancy scissors here.
Okay,
which ones do you want me to use?
Let's run through the scissors.
Who got so many scissors? You're so fancy.
We have our pro shears, which are amazing. So we use these for bigger projects for paper crafting.
This is what I always use.
We do not cut flowers with these.
Okay, no.
Okay, those got to go away.
No.
Then we have our little baby scissors, right? So these are our little detail shears, and super cute for what we call fussy cutting. See, I'm teaching Brittany all these paper crafts, and she's teaching me all the Celebrator stuff. So it's perfect.
Yeah, these definitely not for flowers.
Not for flowers. So fussy cutting, any kind of little things, ribbon, all that kind of stuff. But these guys are our craft shears. So our craft shears are perfect for things like this.
So flowers, plastic, I can cut through all of this.
You can cut through thin wire, you can cut through chipboard, like all those little crafty things where you're wanting to just get in there and not wreck your really good scissors.
Yes.
Craft shears. Perfect.
Okay, all right.
So.
These are good. These are the ones I don't have to worry about ruining, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so.
Still don't want Brady to use them,
no,
I don't think. Because,
no.
We hoard our cute little green handled scissors. At least I do.
So we picked up some grocery store flowers. Sometimes they get a bad rap, but I actually love grocery store flowers, especially when you're gonna take your flowers apart. And I literally like to take all the stems out. And sometimes what I do is I gather all of the like pieces. So like all of these little green mums, I'll kind of lay those aside. And then let's put all the yellow ones together.
Do you water in here yet, or after you cut?
I usually do water afterwards. And then I'll put the plant food that comes with the grocery store flowers in after too. So let's separate these.
All these pretty colors.
This is a great time too, if you ever see grocery store flowers on clearance, they have to kind of clean them out sometimes. And if they don't sell, you can get them on clearance and you can take away some that maybe don't look so fresh.
Oh, right.
Just kind of get rid of those.
Are wilted.
Yes.
Right, gotcha.
All right, so what colors do we want? We definitely want to do red, because that matches our Sunday brunch, doesn't it?
And these are Sunday brunch going.
These are beaueful. There's only 2 of those, and so we're gonna save these. I like to keep the little plastic on here, probably.
That holds it sturdy. Gotcha.
As long as it fits in the bowl.
Okay.
So let's cut this. Is this our scrap bowl, Kim? Okay. You'll put that in there. These are going to be like your
main 2 flowers.
These are the main ones. I'll probably just put them in here for now.
Okay.
And then we can reposition those. This next ones, I love the mums. I think that kind of matches our...
We've got all those colorful dishes. I can't wait to show everyone all the cute dishes and everything we've got.
It's crazy how well it just came together, pulling things that we already have at home. Like the polka dotted bowl here.
Exactly.
Do you want to take these mums apart for me?
Yep.
And I'll take all of the leaves off, you guys. So I'm pulling all of that off, getting rid of that.
I think I've seen in my vases where the leaves get like kind of wilty sometimes.
And moldy. They can get moldy and wilty.
We want to keep this for longer than our Sunday brunch.
Exactly.
We want it for our Monday brunch and our Tuesday brunch.
Yes, exactly. So let's put all of these here.
Gotcha.
All right, you want to pull those? I'm going to do the yellow. I'm going to take all the flowers off of this.
Snap off. I don't even need my craft shears.
Oh, no.
They're nice for the thicker stems, though.
And if you'll take all the leaves off of that one, too. Okay. We just about got it. I always like to say that your flowers, and definitely in this case, you guys, we often associate fresh flowers that they have to be the centerpiece. Like it has to be the main thing on the table.
Oh, right.
But actually for us, this isn't going to be the main thing for our table. Our food. We want to feature the food.
We want our food to be centered.
Yes. And so this little bowl is just going to kind of be offset. I can't wait for everyone to be able to see it. But that's going to be offset the other things that we're showcasing.
Gotcha.
Look how pretty the purple is.
Oh, so I see when you do the stems super short. Can you guys see that? Then we have them. Then they get like the little bow.
Exactly.
Look, love it.
And once you get all of your flowers in there, some of them you may cut shorter if you want, around the side to be shorter and then the middle to be taller. Do we want to use these purples, or do we want to fill in with greenery?
Well, let's try some greenery first. Then maybe a couple of these.
Kim, I stole these from your yard. Is that okay? I went out with my crafting. I did use the appropriate scissors.
Where those greens came from. I'm like,
and yes. Look, just add a little bit of the green in there.
Cute.
We may have to cut the daisies down.
Can I add some greens
Oh, totally. I forgot about those.
Put them in between. Then the stems kind of hold each other up inside there. I get it. Tricky, tricky.
Isn't that cool?
Love it.
So you could use baby's breath. A lot of times in magazines, you'll see baby's breath kind of being the flour that is the filler. But I kind of like to save my money and use greens and maybe some things that I have at home
I'm
as the
surprised
filler.
you found green stuff in Arizona.
I did.
Out in the yard.
I did. I was wondering.
We do have a few green things.
But these, I mean, they're so fluffy and just yummy.
Oh, I love how it's turning out.
Look how cute that is.
I think we should add a couple pinks.
Let's do
Should
it.
we?
Yeah,
we don't have a lot of
totally.
pinks on our table, but I think it's all good. A couple more greens.
Put that in there. So happy.
Oh, fun.
Okay, so let's do, we'll use a little bit of
Show the
water.
camera, like, ooh.
Can you see how pretty that
Pretty.
is? Ah! Okay, so a little bit of water, put your plant food in there,
Okay.
and then we gotta put it on the table. Can we
do
do
it.
that? Okay.
Awesome.